Hello everyone, this is KD here. In this video, we are going to do the world of animals part 2. In this video, we are going to learn about shelters built by animals, animal shelters built by human beings. Animals are helpful to us in many ways. We should be kindful towards animals. And how do animals use their senses along with their importance? Shelters built by animals for themselves. Some animals live in natural habitats for their homes. Other animals build their own homes. Some animals even live in other animals' homes. A natural shelter is a home that the animal has made for itself. Animals live in different kinds of homes, like holes in the ground, caves, nests, trees, etc. Now we'll see that some animals live in burrows. Let's see which type of animals live in burrows. Burrows. Some animals like foxes, rabbits, and groundhogs live underground in burrows, which they dig in the ground themselves. These animals make different types of burrows. Now we are going to see how animals make, some birds make nest. Here in this picture you can see nest. Nests are built by birds and other animals in trees, on the ground, and even in buildings. This is used as a home for them, and especially for their eggs. Nests are usually bowl-shaped and made of twigs, leaves, and grass, held together by mud or saliva, that is spit. Here in this picture we can see hive made by bees. Bees made hive. Bees live in very large colonies. The hive is made up of many six-sided cells, that is hexagon, stuck together. The queen bee lays all the eggs in a hive, and each egg is put in a cell. Now we are going to see webs made by spiders and other insects, especially spiders. In this picture you can see. Now webs. Spiders spin webs from silk that they make in their bodies. The web isn't only a home for the spider, it also helps the spider to catch its prey. You must have seen webs in your homes also. Now, we are going to see how humans have made shelters for animals in their homes. We can see in this picture shelters of animals built by humans. Kennels are built to keep dogs. Shed is an enclosure for cows and buffaloes. Pen, this is a piece of land surrounded by fence to keep farm animals like sheep. Coop, it is a small enclosure where hens are kept. Humans have made these shelters for their pet animals in their homes. These animals is also source of recreation for humans. How are animals helpful to us? Animals are helpful to us in many ways. How? We are going to see here. From the dog sitting on your couch to the near mythical narwhal in the depths of the Arctic Ocean. Animals play a key role in environmental protection and human wellness. Let's take a look at some of the miraculous ways animals help us. There is a close relationship between human and animals, and they are very helpful to us in various ways. You can see in this picture different animals which can be helpful to us in different ways. Bees are powerful pollinators. Did you know about 1/3 of the world's food depends on pollination? Many of the Earth's plants, about 30% of the world's crops, and 90% of our wild plants depend on these little heroes. As they buzz from plant to plant, bees are powerful pollinators and play a vital role in the ecosystem. So the next time you find a wildflower, you can thank a busy bee. Beavers combat climate change. How? Let's see. These woodland creatures have proved incredibly adept at naturally regulating ecosystems. Their gnawing and damming reduce flooding and wildfire damage, preserve fish populations, and conserve freshwater reservoirs, key to combating the effects of climate change. So, when it comes to much needed river ecosystem regulation, leave it to the beavers. Rats detect landmines. How? Let's see. Rats get a bad rap, but with their keen sense of smell and trainability, they have been found to be exceptionally suited to work as landmine detectors. More efficient than metal detectors and cheaper than dogs, rats, nicknamed hero rats, are being trained to sniff out landmines, allowing previously unusable land to once again be productive. So we can see how rats are helpful to us in detecting landmines. Elephants create a source of water for other species. Really, it's a great job. Not only are they major tourist attractions for many countries who depend on this economic boost, the elephant is also one of the most intelligent animals on the planet and key to the biodiversity of its ecosystem. During dry season, elephants use their large tusk to dig for water, providing some much needed relief from the heat for other animals. So elephants are very useful animal for other species. Birds balance nature. Let's see how do they balance nature. The ecological handyman, birds really do it all, from reforestation and seed pollination to pest control and soil fertilization. Whether in a forest, on a farm, or simply in a garden, these feathered friends play a vital role in keeping nature balanced and indicating when it's not. So birds is very important species in the ecosystem. Dogs do it all. As we know, dogs are very useful for human race. Dogs are considered by many to be humanity's best friend for many reasons. From institute service, dogs guiding those with visual impairments, to loyal friends providing emotional support to search and rescue canines, saving lives. This animal has brought positive effects on our world and well-being. Dogs has always been very important for all of us. We should be kind towards animals, as animals are important friends for us and helpful to us. We should be kind towards animals. Animals are dumb, and animals like the cow, bull, buffalo, dog, cat and birds are afraid of us. With our power to command them, to make them submissive to us, we beat them with a stick, we treat them cruelly, and they are afraid of us. We should not do such act. After all, they are also creatures built by the same Lord. Of course, the wild animals in the forest, being beasts of prey, pounce on man, injures him with their teeth and claws and cause in him great fear. They may sometimes kill us, but there are poachers who shoot an elephant, a tiger, a rhinoceros, or snakes for selfish purpose. They kill an elephant and take away its tusks and sell them. Yes, and sell them for a heavy amount. They kill a tiger and skin it and sell the skin for a high price. The tiger's bones are said to be powdered and sold to some countries. How cruel man can be. We should be kind towards animals. We should stop such act. A rhinoceros is shot and its horn, which is nothing but a very dense mass of hair, is removed and sold. A peacock is sought for its feathers. Snakes are killed for their skin of beautiful patterns. We ill-treat the domestic animals. We tie a bullock to a cart and beat it with a lash to make it run fast. The bull pulling a heavy load with foam dripping from mouth because of extreme exhaustion and pain runs. Afraid of the cart driver. We should not stone dogs. We should not torture any bird or animals just because it is afraid of us. Some persons catch monkeys and make them do somersaults, jump, and do all sorts of tricks before an admiring public, who give money to the master of the monkey. Sometimes man makes tamed bears do all sorts of difficult feats before an admiring crowd of people, who give money to the master of the bear. We should always be kind towards animals because animals are our dear friends. Kindness towards animals is as essential as kindness towards human beings. Man, the most rational of all living beings, is endowed with the sixth sense, and he has the divine quality of mercy. Kindness and compassion are in his nature, and he should put them to proper use. A supreme in the creation of God, he should justify that he is supreme by being kind not only towards his fellow man but also towards the dumb animals and birds. How do animals use their senses? Let's see. How do the animals use their senses? Here, first of all, we are talking about the vision of animals. How animals see. Different animals have different behavior of seeing and stamina. Vision. Our eyesight as a species is by no means poor, while the visual spectrum for humans stretches from purple to red with the rest of the rainbow slotting in between. Some animals have extended the visual spectrum into the ultraviolet and the infrared. That means they have better capacity to see than humans. Animals with amazing hearing. Different animals have different hearing power and sensitivity. Hearing. Some animals have learned to harness the extreme of pitch from ultrasound, squeaky high pitch, to infrasound, booming low pitch. Dolphins are another phenomenal species which can echolocate and have even been observed inspecting human babies hidden inside pregnant women. Such a high hearing power when it has. Now let's see sense. How animals smell. All of you know dogs have very high smelling power. Some animals can smell over great distance. Certain species of bears can detect smells up to 20 miles away, black bear, or through nearly a meter of ice, grizzly bear. Other animals such as rats are able to accurately pinpoint the source of a scent due to their ability to isolate the information from each nostril, which is being used to help detect TB, cancer, and even landmines. Animals have high smelling power. Now we will talk about taste. A catfish possesses about 100,000 taste buds all over its body. Taste. All animals use taste to distinguish between the edible and the inedible, a vital function to avoid poison or ingestion of certain compounds such as salt. Catfish have devised just the tool. Their bodies are covered with taste receptors so they can tell when a nasty meal is close by. We were talking about the sense of touch. Different animals have different sensitivity of touching. Touch. The sense of touch covers so much more than just feeling something make contact with the skin. In just a fraction of a second, touch receptors detect pressure, heat, texture, and even pain. Importance of animals. Let's see. What is the significance of animals in humans' life? Animals has great importance. Animals are our companions, our workers, our eyes and ears, and our food. They appear in ancient cave paintings and on modern commercial farms. We have domesticated some of them while others remain wild and are sometimes endangered by our activities. We should keep this in mind and control our activities. Hello, this is KD. I hope you like the video. So keep on watching the video. All the best and good luck.